Hello guys, today we're gonna be working with Active Directory and so we're gonna install it, we're gonna configure and we're gonna create some user and so we're gonna be joining the domain. I'm gonna show you how you can join the domain after we create it. The first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna click in add roles and features. Next. We just really easy to stand next. I'm gonna click and add to the directory domain services. Uh, Add features. Next, next, being installed. So now we have to wait. That can take a little while between 3 minutes or so. We're gonna push a little bit when it's full. We're gonna come back. So after that is complete, we're gonna click and promote the service to a domain controller. You click right here. Poster photos here, and you're gonna call, give you a name. In my case, I just gonna call latincyber.com. So you can add the name that you want to. That what is up to you. I just gonna call that and this here. So we're gonna add the password. Uh, we're just adding a password. So after you add your password, click next. Uh, Follow along is pretty easy to understand. Click next. Start clearing install. Just gonna start in there. Let it install. So now after you're just gonna restart the machine. So now when I'm logging back, so keyboard, control, and delete. See, we have like our domain already. This is right there. Just we have to dig with the password. So now the next part, when I create a user, um, when I join the domain as well. As well, I forgot to show you something how you can make the screen bigger. So when I start creating a user, I will show you in Windows 10 how you can do that. It just easy step. So but first when I continue here, um, I just adjust the screen for more to see. Even though I have to think, I guess I like the sign. Let's see. The sign. Okay, finally I drove the sign. So we wanna create a user. Let's go to actually and add to the user and computer. That is the name of the main controller, latincyber.com. We click in Latin, click in user, and so you're gonna click in user again, right click, and you're gonna click in new, select user, and let's call her this. To log in, let's call her this as well. We just put it easy, guys. Click in next, and check that. Create your password. Finish. So we create a user. Um, so open service. What we're gonna do now, let's go to here. That's at a window 10. Like it's, sorry, just let me hold on. I just had to select. That's a window 10. As I can see, guys, it's more to make bigger the screen, cover the whole screen. So you click devices and you click insert this additional CD image. So you click there, uh, way that download into the machine. We go to File Explorer here, click, there, and just open to all three. Let me close it. We need this one. We had to wait get download. So just in case, let me click again. So I just open again. Let's refresh and see. So wait there. So it's right there. Just it's right there. So now what we're gonna do? Right click open, and right click, and let's run as an administrator. That's gonna install. Uh, so when I click next, next. So now when I click finish to reboot, finish to reboot. It's so now you're starting. So when I leave window term doing his thing. So when I come back to the which is the other one. So we're gonna do some configuration here. We're gonna click Ethernet and the DHCP, which is dynamic really whole configuration protocol. It's a managed protocol to automatically assign IP address and other network to configurations and information to device like computer, smartphone. I believe that's what it is. Here, DHCP. Okay, and right click. I'm gonna go properly, publish. Let's uncheck IPv6, which is that one. We're gonna just use IPv4. Now go properly. So let's first figure out what is the IP address. I'm gonna click CMD and press enter. We wanna use the same IP address. Just we wanna assign them manually. But first, let find out what is the IP address. So I forgot ipconfig, which is the IP address for that is the 192.168.1.153. Let's use the follow, click and use the follow. I believe 192.53, we say, right? Um, I want just like get rid of that here. We don't need that for now. And click OK. Oh yes. Oh, we need it. Click OK. Click and close. Now let's see IP address again. Okay, it's good. Look, it's working. So what we're gonna do now, I'm come back to window 10 and we're gonna join to the domain now. Like you said, let's go back to window 10. So now log in. Like you said, we're not in the domain yet. So now to make the screen bigger, we're gonna go to view, another thing adjust size and hit the rack. Sometimes that you have to really to get a little wide to just get it full screen. So be patient and do it for a few times. It's the, at the moment get figured again. So you can adjust, can adjust again, can adjust, and adjust, and click sign. Uh, Finally we did it. Finally we did it. We have it full screen now. Like it says, better. We have a whole screen. So now, when I do some configuration here to be able to show us the domain, first we're gonna go on click here, and they have like a multi view. Remember, that's a window 10, not window 11, which is different. Now, right click, and now open network and internet setting, and adapter options, and then click, right click, and gonna go properties. We're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna uncheck the internet basics. You don't need it for now. I click internet. Before click properties. So what we so if you that the IP address, we had to turn it off the IPv4 and do it something that we forgot to do. But anyway, it's fine. We can do it's another network. Even if I do the adjustment won't connect, just I got to turn it off and do it again. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna do here, that's it. I'm gonna clean setting. We're gonna go network. It's in bridge. What this is in bridge? What bridge? Okay. Okay. Send it all back. It's in bridge should be working there. So well, let's see. If that was the right one. Uh, so now let's go to window 10 and do the adjust first. Let me again, I forgot the address. END, let me get out the address. IP config. If you're gonna like address. Like, okay, now I said jobs. Oh, you can do as well. I can see all to see everything. So like here we can see our domain name, which is latinside.com. Um, Now we're gonna move to Windows 10, and so we're gonna create first. Just let me check it out. The address here, CMD P. Uh, the address is 192. That 168. That one. That 228. On which I'll show you how you can join the domain, open network or internet setting. I feel like we did this. Thanks. So when I change that there option, click there. Okay, now yes. Click right click and click properties. Uh, so I said we have to uncheck IPv6, which is that one. I click in IPv4 and properties. Um, what we're gonna do is add the IP address right here. From you're gonna either IPv4 address from Windows Server. You're gonna add it here. Gate. Uh, that one. That one. Which what was the IP address? 153. I'm gonna click OK. Close. Um, just leave that open and check it out if there's again if that's what we want to work. Let's see if it will work. So when I click the start right click, when I go to system again, I'm gonna go now, advanced setting, advanced system setting, right click there. I'm gonna click on computer name, I click change, next click in domain. I'm gonna add the name of the domain, which is Latin cyber.com. We click OK. Yes, and now what was the user that we are the user? What was the name of the user? Let's go back to the Windows 10 to the Windows servers to figure out what was the user. Let's go to let's go activate the user in computer. So click the here. Let's see if we make it bigger. Okay, the user heard this right. Okay, hold this. I'm gonna probably gonna go back to Windows 10. The name is a help desk. There's a Adobe Latin Ever dot .com password. Let's see password. Okay. So you click and okay, welcome to the latinside.com domain. So you click OK. You click OK, your computer must restart. You click OK, OK, and say just restart now. So please wait. So now that it's back, we're gonna check it out. You see here, that's the domain, which hasn't yet. You have to click in the domain to be able to join the domain here. We say Latin Cyber. Click in Latin Cyber and just add the password. Let me see if that's it. Latin Cyber. Okay, which is that another other domain. You have to click another. I apologize. Other user. And now you're gonna add the name, which is gonna be LDS latincyber.com. You're gonna add your password, and voila. That's the way that you can join the domain. Uh so we have to wait a little bit. It's gonna working getting everything ready for you. We have to wait that go through. What we're gonna do is gonna pause for a little bit. Uh, so guys, like you said, we joined to the domain like to check it out. If we join the domain, we're gonna CMD, click enter in there. So we're gonna type ipconfig /.o, which gonna show let me make it bigger so like a lot of us we're gonna see better. So here permitted the name, domain name or DNS, which is latincyber.com. Again here latincyber.com, that's the DNA, which we join to the after to the domain name. So um let's just go back to the Windows server. Like you see, that's the name right here. Latin Cyber. Another way that you can see the domain name, it is they go to the local service and right here. So we joined the domain. So now we're gonna so let's do. We're gonna be creating my user. We're gonna show you how you can elevate the user as an admin. So that's gonna be just for the next video. So guys, that's it for today. For the next video, we're gonna go through how to use as well command prompt and PowerShell. We want to show you as well how you can, and on my user, you can elevate her as an administrator. So we're gonna show you all the stuff and gonna do some more user how to create and how to reset password, which is that's a pretty easy thing how to do that. So we're gonna do how to do that. So we're gonna go through all the steps. So how to reset password. I'm going to show you all the stuff and how to create a user. Remember how to elevate the user when, for example, how this here is a normal level. How you can elevate that user as an admin, bro. So all that thing we're gonna do for the next video later on. So and guys, remember, if you find that video that was helpful for you, don't forget give it a like and subscribe. And see you to the next time.